What is going on, guys? Welcome to today's recording, a short recording on the new Bag Snatcher 2.0, guys. If you don't know what this is, it's a semi-automated system that tells you when to buy or sell in the financial markets. You can use this for stocks, forex currency pairs. You can trade regular forex as a scalper. You can definitely trade options with this, time-based trading. So many different ways you can use this to give you a gauge on direction, and it's very, very easy. You don't even need to know how to read a chart. It is literally color coded. So it's really right here. You'll notice it says short and long. Okay, because you're only at all times in the market just going to predict if it's going to go up or down. So long means up, short means down. So once you have 3 stars next to any one of these options, you want the rest to be color coded to the right. And then you would just simply go on to your broker and you would look for that specific currency pair, right? So this is example, we're looking at this one right here. Okay, so CAD JPY. So now all I need, that we already have the 3 stars, all I need is for this entry to turn green for me. We already have the 3 stars, even though it just went away. All we need is 3 stars on either one. Okay, it's color coded. So once we got green 3 stars and green for entry, and at least green for strength trend for sure, and one of these. So you need green strength trend, green entry, and one other green. That's it if you have 3 green stars. Okay, if you have 3 red stars, you need red here, one over here, red at least, and red on entry. So right now, we are just waiting. We have a 3 star on a green. We just have to wait for this to turn green. Once this turns green, I'm going to go over and click the green button. Now you would set your timer to 2 minutes. Normally is where I like to operate from, where I like to trade at is 2 minutes. So you would go into your broker. You can use pocketoption.com. You can create a demo account. You can trade with fake money, kind of just get the feel for it, test it a little bit. But first step is get 3 stars. Next step is, first step is locating your whatever pair you want to trade, and typing it in right there on TradingView once you have the Bag Snatcher loaded. So wait for 3 stars. Next, wait for the color coordination. Remember, if it's 3 stars for either one, all you need is the color to match for the strength trend, one of the other trends at least, preferably all of them, obviously, and then color coded on the entry as well. Once all those things happen and they align in one color, all you do is go and press that same color over here. Okay, so now we're just waiting for it to be color coordinated. Right now, we don't have color coordination. We're missing green right here on entry. Okay, so we're just going to wait. Once that turns green, we're going to pull the trigger because we already had 3 stars. Yes, it went away, but we had 3 stars. Okay, if you had 3 stars and it goes away, you can still take the trade for the next minute, 2, 3 minutes, whatever. But if a whole bunch, if more than a few minutes pass, then yes, you got to wait for a fresh 3-star trade. Okay, because sometimes you have to wait. Okay, so now we can go ahead and get in. So I'm going to get in right there, right, on a position. This is a demo account. Now, I really wanted to get that entry down there, right? So you would get in on the direction it's telling you to get in. And then you simply, once you get in, you already put 2 minutes on your clock. So by the way, for those who don't know, if you go to pocketoption.com, you can create a demo account. It's fake money. You can practice. You would come here on when you select your pair, which you would come right here for. You would select whatever pair you want to look at. You see all the options there, currencies, all this stuff right here. You would click on the one you want. Then you would come here to the timer, and you're going to change that to 2 minutes. Okay, you're going to put 2 minutes on that clock, because that's what I like to trade from. You're going to risk whatever amount you want to risk. All right. I recommend 1% or less, okay, per account, your account balance. Right here, it's telling you what that pair that you selected, CAD JPY in this case, is paying out. It's saying it's paying out 80%. Okay. Then you just have green or red. Green means up, red means down. That's it. So it's color coordinated on the Bag Snatcher 2.0 as well. So if you get color coordinated on green, you get ready to click the green. If you get color coordinated on red, you get ready to click red. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and wait for that to occur. Let's see what's going on here. Everything is color coordinated, but I did realize something. This is different. I think I'm using a different chart, and that's why you can see we're going up here. We would actually be in profit. So it's not showing that I'm in profit because we're using the wrong chart on the broker. That's my fault. Where is CAD JPY? That's CAD JPY, but it says OTC. That's it's not what we want. All right, so that didn't work out the way I wanted to. Okay, but let's just say we actually did select the right pair, and I'll get a good example here. You really got in right here. This is where we clicked it at. Okay, so we would be in profit right now. The cool thing about options trading is that you only need for this thing that's moving up and down, which is the value of whatever you're looking at. You simply need it to go higher than where you click the button at. Because as soon as I click the button, I'll just do an example right here. As soon as I click the button, I'm in right there, strike it right there. So now I have 2 minutes for this to simply stay above where I got in. If it stays above where I got in for the whole 2 minutes, I will make 80% of the risk that I put on the amount here. Okay, simple as that. So you put your risk, you put your 2 minutes, you're either going to click green or red when it's aligned. Okay. Unfortunately, we didn't get the alignment. The right pair or the right option for the pair. But as you can see, we noticed that it gave us 3 stars down there. You guys watch me live. So right now it's higher than where we were, right? So we would technically have won all these 2-minute trades. These are 1-minute candles. We would have won these 2-minute trades already. All right. So in all reality, guys, it's simple. You wait for 3 stars, step 1, after you got your pair selected. You wait for 3 stars on either color, doesn't matter. Then you wait for the rest to get color coded, and then you get in. Okay. I'm going to go ahead. So I'll let this one close out so you guys can see how it looks when the trade closes. But as long as it stays above, which it is, I have the timer counting down right here, 40 something seconds. If it stays above for the whole duration and the trade expires on its own, I don't have to do anything else. I don't have to close it. It closes on its own in 2 minutes, win or lose. When the thing closes, okay, and you could use different brokers. You could use Pocket Option, or you could use other offshore brokers like Race Option. There's some risk that comes with using some of these brokers, but so be careful. But with Race Option, you have a rollover feature where you can get a second chance. If you're not winning in 2 minutes, you can get more time. Pocket Option, the one I'm using right here, does not have the rollover feature. In fact, all you have is 2 minutes. Okay, win or lose. So as you can see here, I'm winning this trade right now. Okay. So as you can see, we just won this trade. This is just an example. I just want to show you what it looks like. So once it wins, boom, you get your profit, your account balance goes up. Simple as that. 2 minutes later, you made some profits. Now, I want to look for an example that we can do here right now with this, but for some reason, I don't see any. It's all OTC right now. So I'm not sure exactly why, to be honest. I don't know what OTC means, but I know that the price is completely different. So that's the example of what you would do. As soon as it's color coded, you would just get in green or red. Simple as that. It's already 2 minutes. You're either gonna win or you're gonna lose. Okay, so let's just sit here right now, because as you can see, all we need is a 3rd star. We have everything else that's green. Once we have a 3rd star, again, we would have another potential entry. So because I can't get in necessarily on CAD JPY like I want to on this demonstration with Pocket Option, I'm just going to hypothetically, I'm going to click a line right here just so you can see where you would have gotten in, and just so you can see how accurate the back Snatcher 2.0 is. There's people using this on their own already, you know, with 80–90% accuracy. So, 2 stars is decently strong, especially when everything else is color coded. But you want 3 stars or more to get a strong trade. So I'm not exactly sure why I don't have any other pairs that are not. And you could trade cryptocurrencies on this stocks. I mean, different options. It's about to give us a third star here soon. And then that would be where we would have gotten in. But as you can see, as like I said, 2 stars are even strong. Look at that. It flew. It flew. They didn't even give us a chance, but it was a good trade direction. So, okay. So it just gave us 3 stars right there. We would have gotten in, right? Look at that. Let's see what happens 2 minutes later. So even though I can't give you the example on the actual broker, you can see what's going to happen 2 minutes later. Is it going to be higher or lower, right? Let's see. Is it going to be higher or lower? Simple as that. If it's higher, we would have won this trade by clicking that green button on 2 minutes on Pocket Option or any of these other brokers, Race Option, IQ Cent. You see everything is color coded, still 3 stars, and everything is green. Everything is green. I wouldn't be surprised if this thing just flew. Look at that. That's how this is what you would have done on your own time whenever you want. And 2 minutes later, literally just 1 minute from now, you would have made your 1% or whatever you put to risk. It's up to you, but you would have made your money in 2 minutes. It is all color coded, easy to do for you. It's easy, guys. So first step is go on your trading view and your broker. Next step is looking at the list of the options of currency pairs the broker has. Do not use the OTC ones. As you can see, I just made that mistake, but don't use the OTC ones. You're going to use the ones that don't say OTC next to them. And it's going to show you the percentage payout of the payout. So you want to go with anything that's above 70 or above, 70% or above. I mean, anything less than that, it's like low profit, low payout. I mean, I don't like those, but you can do what you want. So you would pick your pair, whatever it is. Let's say, just for example, we're on CAD-JPY already, right? So let's just say we found CAD-JPY, the non-OTC one. I would click on it. Okay, I got my pair. I like the payout. So I'm going to come over here, click on this, and I'm going to change it to 2 minutes. Okay, and then I'm going to come over here and I'm going to type in how much I want to risk per trade. And then it's going to tell me the payout right here down below. And now all I got to do now is click green or red when it's ready. So as you can see, guys, that was a beautiful trade. Look how that thing flew. Easy. So all I would do is put the timer, put the amount, and then I would go back to my Bag Snatcher 2.0. I would type in CAD-JPY right there so that I could pull CAD-JPY up because that's what I want to trade. And then I would look at it with the Bag Snatcher 2.0 loaded up, and I would wait for 3 stars on either color. Doesn't matter. 3 stars on either color. And then when I get 3 stars on either color, I look to the right here. This box to the right, bottom right, has to be color coded at least with strength trend, entry, and one other trend. If all of them match, even better. If you have more than 3 stars, even better. Okay, but that's the minimum. 3 stars on either color, and then color coded to the bottom right with these boxes. Okay, simple as that. It's all you need. All right, it has to be color coded. And once it's color coded, you just come over here and you press the green or the red button immediately when it's color coded. The moment it becomes color coded, you come right back and click the button. Have your trigger finger ready. You pull the trigger, boom. 2 minutes is all it takes to win or lose. And sometimes when you get in, it ends up going the wrong direction for a little bit. And actually it ends up giving you a stronger trade, 4-star or more, and a better entry. So guess what? If you want to, you can take a second one on the same pair that you're looking at. In this case, CAD-JPY. And that's it. You can take 2, whatever, per trade if you wanted to, or two per signal. It's up to you. And that's it. Really, that's all you got to do. And you do this on your own time whenever you want, 24/7, right? Because you could even use this for crypto to trade on the weekends, because most of these brokers also have crypto available. So as you can see, we now changed to red down below. So that means we have no more valid trade. We reduced from 3 stars to 2 stars. It's already been a few minutes. So that means now we wait for it to align again with either color. And then we just pull the trigger. Okay. Any pair, anything. All right. So that's it. And that's it for today's bag snatcher demonstration. This is for mainly, this demonstration right here is mainly for offshore brokers or time-based trading brokers, binary options brokers like Pocket Option, as you saw on this demonstration right here. Pocket Option, where you can select 2 minutes. It has these options. Race Option has the option, but it also has a feature called rollover, which gives you more time if you're not winning in 2 minutes, which is pretty cool. To have more time if you need it, because sometimes it won't go your way, right? But this is not financial advice. This is just purely entertainment education purposes only. You do what you want. Just be smart, be safe. This is something I'm doing, I'm using, and I created, and anyone can have access to it. Simply reach out to me on any social media platform, or the person who would send you this video or whatever. Get back to us. We'll show you how to get plugged in and have access to the Bag Snatcher 2.0. And that's it. Until next video, stay blessed and stay bullish.